The past few years, my skin started taking a turn for the worse. From too much sun exposure to caking on makeup and just plain ignoring my skincare routine. I was battling breakouts and wrinkles at the same time. However, this is my skin now after using my new magical skincare tool. And let me tell you, before finding this wand, I've tried it all. From topicals that take months to show results to expensive tools that are uncomfortable to use. I almost gave up on trying to improve my skin. Nothing was working. And I was really starting to think I would never love my skin again. Until my friend told me about Solawave. Now, I had my doubts. I thought I had already tried everything out there with 0 results. But my friend told me that Solawave was recently awarded the #1 skincare tool and was approved by dermatologists and estheticians. It's also beloved by celebrities and has sold over 100,000 wands, with 97% of people reporting that their skin looked more vibrant and lifted after using the Solawave wand. They also have a 30-day trial period. So I gave my skin one last shot. And with just 5 minutes a day, the wand significantly improved the appearance of my fine lines, depuffed my skin, reduced my breakouts, and gave me back my youthful glow. Not to mention, it was so easy to use and fun, like giving yourself a massage. Here's how it works. With science-backed technology, the Solawave wand is a 4-in-1 tool, using microcurrent, red light therapy, therapeutic warming, and facial massage. Through low-voltage energy, microcurrent stimulates deep into your skin's muscle layers, helping with signs of aging and smoothing. The red light therapy uses special LED lights to rejuvenate the skin and improve the appearance and glow. The warmth helps to amplify the skincare products you're already using. And the vibrations give you a gentle massage, helping decrease the appearance of puffiness. All this to say, it really works and is so easy. All you have to do is apply the conductive serum to a clean face. Then tap the wand and start to glide it across your face and neck in an upward motion. And that's it! The Solawave wand will turn on and off as it touches your skin. Check out these results. It really can't be beat. But here's the thing. If you don't like what you see, Solawave offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose, besides having the best skin of your life in 14 days. Click the link below to check it out and love your skin with Solawave.